Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 146 new aftermarket solutions, including many that redesign repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. Replacing corroded fuel lines with new preformed hard lines can be a complicated job. Traditional fuel lines also take up lots of warehouse space and can be difficult to ship. Dorman's OE Fix flexible fuel lines simplify installation by allowing for easy routing through the chassis and around fixed components. They're also packed in compact boxes for easy shipping and storage, taking up a fraction of the shelf space of regular fuel lines. Wrapped in braided stainless steel for durability, each set is made to the precise length for the vehicle application and pre-fitted with the correct connectors. The coolant line on certain Nissan SUVs often fails when the plastic T-connector cracks and leaks. Dorman's OE Fix coolant line integrates a tough aluminum T-connector to eliminate this weak point, delivering greater durability than the original design. Replacing a wheel bearing can be time-consuming, typically requiring a shop press to remove the old bearing and install the new one. Corrosion can add unexpected challenges to the process, making labor time unpredictable. This loaded knuckle assembly for the Toyota Sienna is ready to install without the hassle of a shop press or the unknowns of tearing down rusty parts. When pickup truck floor supports rust away from underneath, there are usually two options: fabricate replacement supports or get a whole new bed. Dorman has a time and money-saving OE Fix solution for Chevy and GMC pickups that lets you save the original bed by replacing only the damaged supports. This kit includes mounting hardware and is finished in weld-through primer to make installation clean and easy. Dorman's direct replacement battery terminal for certain Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles matches the original style terminal. Finished with a corrosion-resistant coating, it includes a threaded post and matching nut for attaching additional circuits. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 30 new driveshaft assemblies, more than 25 control arm and ball joint assemblies, and 10 new loaded knuckles for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, whenever you need a reliable repair solution, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com.